Back to my channel. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as Meta Fastest. I will share all the detail in this video that how you can keep your inventory, how you can buy that horse racing. I will share all the detail about their exchange and shop in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So it is the NFT based mechanical horses. Experience the future of racing with our cutting edge NFT based mechanical horse. Each horse is unique digital asset that you can own, train and race in the metaverse ecosystem. So you can download that for the PC. Basically it is the mechanical horses, which is the NFT based horses. You can see they are so cute horses. They are in different categories, like you can go for the breeding one, you can go for the racing one horse, you can go and train them, you can own them, and you can go in the Meta F ecosystem. So top 6 last week, you can see it here. They are best selling items which are given here. Like item 1 was, this is a brief description of item 1, which is about $100. You can see you can easily be able to buy it by the $100. Item 2 is about 200, and item 3 is about 150. It is the L and LS. You can see their pictures. They have total 6, and this item is $250, and item 5 is $300 and $350. You can easily be able to buy these items from here. These are the best seller items at that time. So you can see it here. So Meta Fastest is a global leading the future digital racehorse ownership through innovative blockchain technology. They provide a fair, transparent and horse racing experience. So you can easily be able to follow them on the Twitter, different Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Telegram, TikTok. You can see all that. I will open that link so you can easily be able to be a part of that. You can communicate with them and you can easily be able to work on it too. So see, the next one is that customer service. You can contact to the customer service if you have any confusion, if you want to know more about that, if you want to discuss any issue, if you are facing in that, you can go that for. They are here the inventory, which is the item inventory, horse inventory, avatar inventory. You can see all of that. I will open their links and share with you one by one all. And you can see the horse here, the staking option here, and you can see stake, stable horse, breeding horse, marketplace, and NFT wallet. You can see staking too. You can see the exchange. I will open that exchange too. You can see shop and racing, and for working on that you can easily be able to contact them on their Telegram so that you can get to know about the customer service. If you have any query, you can contact them. Even other than that, you can also be a part of their global official Telegram group, where they have maximum, you can see, members, and you can see they have the Meta Fastest racehorse will be provided to all the players. Their web page is given. I'm sharing that with you too. For working on this, you have to first of all register yourself. I already registered myself. I will share with you that how you can do register. You will have to just touch on the register option. You have to give the full name, email, you have to give your username, phone number, passwords. So I already make the account. I give my name Salen and also give the passwords. You can do that. You can keep your pin code. You can give the referral code. That referral code will be given in my video description. You can select your country from here. You can make the account. I already make the account. So here I have login. Here you can see it here. The item inventory is given. So in that inventory option, the item inventory is given. First of all, I will go for the shop one, but how you can be able to shop it from here. So for shop, you can see there are the amounts, but you have to see in your wallets. You can do here which is the basically given here about wallet, that you can go for Meta F token, Meta S token, Meta Cash, taking Meta F. You can do the deposit here. So for deposit, you can scan this QR code, or you can copy that address which is given above. You can deposit USDT or a TRX, TRC21. You can go and do deposit here. You can use Tron link, or you can scan that too. So you can do working in that way from here too. So if I go another one, here you can see is about the swap. You can swap money from one account to another from one one coin to another coin or tokens. You can see, you can even do the withdraw. You can see full security authentication required for the withdraw. You have to give the email verification, mobile phone ownership verification, KYC identification, OTP authentication. It's all for your security, that your money will not go anywhere else. And you can see it here. Here is my referral code, which is given here. I will give that code in my video description, so you can easily be a part of my team. I will recommend you to must share your code with your family, friends, so that you can also make a team. So after doing deposit, you can easily be able to do shop. Here there are different kind of change. Nickname is given 100. They are giving the sale out that too. Transfer horse, you can buy that, and all the horses is given. You can buy this change. You can see it here, and there are legendary 800 epic rare. All the details is given. You can read that FS, and you can increase the quantity, and your total will be increased by the quantity will increase, and you can buy it here. So you have to touch on buy, and you can confirm it here, and at that time you can see I have not enough balance in USDT. You can do that, and you can also go for the gift one too. For that, you have to give the ID of your members or your team members or anyone you want to give, and you can send the gift on their IDs. So you can go for that too. You can go for the racing one, and you can see you can download that. They have minimum and recommendation that you have a Windows 10, Intel, and all that recommended windows are given here. You can see the RAM and all things, so that it will go smoothly on that too. So if I go further, there is given about their different things, like their exchanges, their avatar inventory, their inventory like horse inventory, avatar inventory. You can see it here. So if I go for the inventory, you can see your item inventory which you buy here. So, and horse inventory and avatar inventory are the coming soon. You can see horse which are stable one here, and you can see your own horse. You can see breeding station, you can see breeding history, and you can see the breeding one, and in that way you can see that all horses are showing here. They are in the waiting. You can see it here. You can see they are so cute, and the different NFTs which is given here too. So you can go for the stable one too. You can see that, and you can go for marketplace, so that you can see the other this you can easily be able to buy. All have the price almost at $380. You can see it here. You can buy it from that. There are total 5,391 pages given here for. You can go and do the staking. Staking is so easy. You can do the profit. You can see for the bonus, and for staking you can see your amount, your details will be given here. You can go for the 50, you can go for the 100 too. And you can do staking here. There are different currency given here. It is for the 90 days. You will get interest rate by range 1% to 3.5. You can see all the detail. The more you do deposit, and more you can be able to do. You can go for the 1, 5, 10, 100, all that, and you can do staking in that way. I share all the detail about this project, and I will just go back to the home, and you can do account here, so you can work on that. It is the best project here. So I share all the details with you. Now I come back to the home. It is the NFT based mechanical horses. You can see I share all the details. You can easily be able to make money on it too. And if you like my video, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.